I have never seen lightning like this in my life.
No.
Ever. Look at it. It's just
There it is.
incredible. 10 times better here. Jesus, look at this. I've never seen nothing like this. This way, huh? Yeah, look at it.
Yeah.
Over there.
The camera covers the whole sky. It's got a fisheye lens.
Yes.
Look at the screen. Watch when it goes off.
Yeah,
The whole side of the house, everything.
Yeah. Could you catch up that way?
I have the whole side of the house.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can see it. It's all right there. It's a
All right.
360 lens.
Right, yeah.
See?
Unreal. How does that do? Look at there was a smack up there. It's all cloud to cloud.
It's so crazy. Oh,
Man.
wow.
What a goo in there. Once in a while it'd be cloud to ground, but it's all cloud to cloud. And the temperature must have dropped 25 degrees in the past 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah. It's freezing right now.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah. That's where it is. It's right here. Over here is not. Over here is.
Yeah. No, I got the whole side there. You can see everything.
Unreal. What a phenomenon that is.
Oh, this is going to the news.
Man.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
look up there.
Cloud
Yep.
to cloud.
Oh.
Yeah. Cloud to cloud.
This is right over our heads.
Beauty. Clear sky.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's just so charged up there.
Real. Because that clearing sky is on the other side of the house.
Yeah, and it's starting to move over that way. You're right. It's
Yeah.
moving now.
Whoa. When the temperature drops like 20 degrees, something's going on for sure. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of it right there when it comes over. Man, oh man.
That's directly over us.
Yep. It's all cloud to cloud. I've never ever seen anything like this.
No, me either.
Never.
Never lightning like this.
No.
Oh.
Oh man. Well, 4th of July. It's so long too. Usually it's there and gone in a minute or 2 or 3. Yeah, big kitty flies. Oh, there you are. Oh, you come in here. Wow, what a truck that is.
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
That's where you are. Over here is even too now. Jumping through the sky. What would be the reason for that? I mean, it's a cold.
Something charged, yeah, because it's not pouring rain. It's not a,
It was raining before, but it's the back end of it that get through a frontal system. And boy, I don't know how to explain that one. tornadoes. For that one, I don't know what that would have been. I have never seen a lightning show like this in my life.
No way.
Ever.
We're going on 6 minutes right now.
Jeez.
Plus the 10 minutes I was out front.
Yeah.
Ooh.
A bit of discharge and energy. Jesus. And every holiday in the world with fireworks.
Yeah, in 5 minutes.
Figure this one out. I'll never get those fireworks. Oh, man. It's almost like it's unreal. I have never ever seen lightning like this so long. In the clouds yet. It's in the cloud. It's not even hitting the ground.
Yeah, that's all going in between themselves.
Sure it is. It's all cloud lightning. Yeah. Cloud to cloud. Nothing hitting the ground. Whoa! See that lit up.
Shit.
That lit up
The whole
everything.
valley.
Pocono Mountains.
Unreal.
Jeez. It's almost like daylight when it hits.
And it's that constant roar in the sky. You just hear, oh. There's no like big thunder.
Now the roar is gone. The roar is gone up into the Pocono area. You know, toward New York. But it's still here. The lightning, no thunder.
Yeah, it's not that lightning that's cutting through everything.
Yeah. Jeez. Unbelievable. I'm glad you got this on video.
Oh man.
There's no way. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Wow, look at that one.
Yeah, we're putting this out to the
You betcha.
the old weather community.
Yeah. Whoa. Man. And the thunder's been gone for 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's just that little roar you keep hearing. That's
Yeah.
it.
It's still a discharge of all that energy. And temperature dropping 25 degrees in a second. Or 10 minutes, drop 25 degrees.
Damn.
Wow. Look at that lightning. Well, I wish everybody's awake to see this one. Mom would never believe it. Wow. Man. Daylight for a second. Well, I just hope it don't hit the ground. It's pretty charged.
Yeah, I know. That's all we need.
I think I saw one or two hit the ground, but it's all cloud to cloud, every bit of it. And it's just not ending.
No. It's moving towards the west a little bit, but
Yeah.
or east rather. It's moving east.
Yeah, it's east. Sure it is. Yeah. Well, north, south. Well, south's here. It's. Let me think here. It's north.
Southeast.
South.
Wow.
Yeah, southeast. Yeah. Look at that. It's still going and no thunder. No thunder.
No.
And the thunder's gone.
That's facing over the valley.
Well, east East is that way, so it's the southeast. Yeah. Yep. South's down there. Yeah, southeast. What? Amazing display. And it's not stopping.
It's over 10 minutes now.
No. Well, even before I called you, it was going up for 10 minutes.
Yeah, this has been a good half hour of
Absolutely.
non-stop lightning.
At least a half hour of this. Energy. Boy, you think we know a lot.
Huh.
But nature knows. 150, 50,000, 100,000, 250, 500,000 volts. Every one of them.
It's a big number.
Yeah, big number. Millions of that. One strike could power a
City, yeah.
Community for a month.
Seems logical, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
If you could capture that energy, my God. I've never ever seen anything like this. And it's still there. It keeps going.
Might be calming down a little bit, but
Well,
I
yeah,
still
look at
over the
mountains over
valleys.
there.
The valleys
That's
where it's
lighting the
going
whole-
nuts
whole
now.
Valley up. Yep. Listen, constant roar of thunder.
Yeah, it won't stop.
Well, that's what happened 2 years ago when that tornado came through. That's all you heard. And it wiped out the whole place. It's exactly what it sounded like. But it was there and gone. This has lasted a lot longer.
Yeah, this is just going and going.
Yeah, see the whole horizon lighting up over there. Yep, it's on its way over there. That's toward New York and New Jersey, right there.
Unbelievable.
Look at this sky lighting up over there. Look,